Good morning, students. Welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So today we are going to study chapter 4, the dresses we wear, word meaning and explanation both. So let's start with word meaning first. First is turban. Turban means a long piece of cloth worn by men on their heads. I repeat, turban. Turban. Turban means a long piece of clothes worn by men on their heads. Next is odhni. Odhani. Odhni. Odhni means a long piece of cloth used by women to cover their heads. I repeat, Odhani. Odhni. Odhni means a long piece of cloth used by women to cover their heads. Next is Vasti. Vesthi. Vasti means a kind of lungi worn by men of Tamil Nadu. I repeat, Vasti. Vesthi. A kind of lungi worn by men of Tamil Nadu. Next is Mundu. Mundu. Mundu means the lungi worn by men of Kerala. I repeat, Mundu. Mundu. Mundu means a lungi worn by men of Kerala. Next is diversities. Diversities. Diversities means showing a great deal of varieties. I repeat, diversity. Diversities. Diversities. Diversities means showing a great deal of varieties. Next is brocade. Brocade. Brocade means usually silk fabric worn with a gold and silver thread. I repeat, brocade, usually silk fabric worn with gold and silver thread. Now let's see the explanation of this chapter. As you can see in the picture this is a picture of our country where different people wears different kind of dresses. Some dresses are however common all throughout the India, just like dhoti kurta, kurta pajama and pant shirt among men. These are a popular dresses and a common dresses throughout the India, means throughout our country. And salwar kameez and sari with blouse among women are the most common dresses of our country. That means kurta pajama, salwar kameez and sari are the very common dresses the women wears in our country. So now let's know about women dresses. Women dresses. The women in our country are fond of wearing colorful clothes. Most of them like to tie a sari with blouse, ghagra with choli or wear salwar with kameez. That means in our India or in our country, we can see most of the women likes to wear sari with blouse and some women likes to wear ghagra with choli and some also wants to wear salwar with kameez. Means these are the types of dresses that different women wears in different ways. So these are the dresses that women wears and these are the different types of dresses the woman likes to wear. Some women use a piece of cloth called odhni to cover their heads. There are also some traditional women who use odhni to cover their heads. So, as you can see in this picture, one woman is wearing sari, second one is having a ghagra choli and the third one is having kameez with salwar and dupatta. So, these are the some popular women dresses that many women wants to wear in our country. Saris is worn in different style in different state of India. It is easy to identify the state from the style of a woman ties her sari. That means in India, in different states, many women style their sari in different ways. So, by seeing the different ways of sari, we can identify from which state she belongs to. Some girls in cities are fond of wearing the dresses of the western style. That means some of the women wants to wear or girl wants to wear the western style dress and a different types of sari. So as you can see in the picture, a woman is wearing a Bengali dress that she wears this Bengali dress in a different way. It is a sari only, but she wears in a different way. Second one is Kashmiri dress. You can see the people of Kashmir wear this type of dress, and the western dress most of the girls wants to wear this modern dress. So now let's read about the men's dresses. So in cities, most of the men likes to wear shirt and trousers. In most of the cities, man likes to wear shirt and trousers both. Some men likes to wear kurta and pajama or kurta and dhoti. Different types of men wants to wear different types of dresses. As you can see in Tamil Nadu, men wears lungi, which is called vasthi, while in Kerala it is called mundu. That means the same dress, but the pattern of wearing the dress is different. So the name is also different in different type of states. As you can see in Tamil Nadu it is called vasthi, but in Kerala it is known as mundu. So now let's see which type of dress is. In the first picture you can see shirt and trouser. A man is wearing shirt and trouser. In the second picture the man is wearing kurta and pajamas. In the third picture you can see kurta and dhoti, and again in the third picture you can see kurta and lungi. So these are the different types of dresses that men wear. So now let's know about the caps. Some men also wear a cap or tie a turban to cover their heads. There are two types of cap you can see. The Gandhi cap is worn by many peoples, particularly in Gujarat, and turbans are worn by Gujaratis and by Sikhs. So these are the two types of cap which wears different types and in different states. So as you can see in the picture, in first picture a man is wearing a Gandhi cap, and second picture is a man wearing turban. So let's know about the tribal dresses. What are tribal dresses? Tribal lives in many parts of India. We know that tribal lives in many parts of India. Tribal means the foresters. Their dresses are generally colorful and made up of forest product. As we know that tribals dress are really very colorful and are only made up of forest product, means by leaves, wood or any stamp. They use these type of forest thing to make their dresses. So you can see in the picture some tribal dresses of India. The people are wearing some different types of tribal dresses. So the climate plays an important role in deciding the dresses of men and women in every part of the world. That means climate is very important while wearing the dresses. As we know that in summer we wear cotton dresses and in winter we wear woolen clothes. So these are the different types of dresses we wear in different type of climate. So as you can see in the picture, people live in hilly areas wear woolen dresses. This is a picture of Ladakh, where people live in hilly areas and they wear woolen clothes because the climate is very cold. Now in next picture, people live in warm areas, they wear cotton clothes. That means the people live in the warm areas, means in a very hot areas they wear cotton clothes. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is our footwears. Footwear such as shoes and sandals are some an important part of our dresses. Shoes keep our feet clean and safe. We know very well we always wear shoes in our school hours and when we play games. Shoes are helpful for playing, traveling, mountaineering, and other activities like protecting people from fire and floods. Whereas some slippers we wear in a hot weather. So as you can see in this picture, we can see slippers, sandals, shoes and different types of shoes. So now let's move on to the next topic, that is formal dresses. What is formal dresses? On the occasions of festivals or marriages, people like to wear special dresses that are known as formal dresses. These includes brocade and silky saris, jewelries and suits with ties. So these are the some dresses which people always used to wear in the festival and in the marriage occasions. So as we can see, the formal dresses are worn on a special occasion. So these are the types of formal dresses as you can see in this picture. So now next topic is dresses popular in the world. Many Indian dresses like Banarsi saris, Lucknowi chicken kurta, Kanjivaram saris, Peshawari and Rajasthani lehengas are the famous worldwide. Means these are the top dresses which are very famous at the worldwide. Worldwide means at all in the world. These are very famous dresses of our country. So as you can see in the pictures, some dresses which are world famous. So I hope that you all guessed understood. Thank you.